Sprinto for Business full review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to the product are added in the description below. Sprinto is a modern compliance automation platform built specifically for fast-growing SaaS companies and cloud-native businesses that need to achieve and maintain security frameworks like SOC 2, ISO 27001, GDPR, HIPAA, and PCI DSS. What sets Sprinto apart is its ability to streamline and automate the end-to-end compliance process, from readiness assessments and policy creation to continuous control monitoring and audit preparation. The platform connects directly with your tech stack: AWS, Azure, GCP, Okta, GitHub, Google Workspace, Slack, and more, to pull real-time data and automatically test your security controls against specific framework requirements. Its control library is mapped across multiple standards, making it simple to pursue multiple certifications without starting from scratch each time. Sprinto also offers automated evidence collection, saving countless hours in audit preparation, and provides auditor-facing dashboards to ease collaboration. A key strength of Sprinto is its continuous monitoring, which ensures ongoing compliance and real-time visibility into system health, significantly reducing the risk of drift. The platform also includes pre-built security policies, customizable workflows, and smart alerts to catch control failures early. It's highly scalable, making it ideal not just for startups, but also mid-market and enterprise SaaS teams looking to unify compliance efforts across geographies and frameworks. One of the standout strengths is Sprinto's intuitive UI and fast implementation time. Teams often get audit-ready in weeks, not months. That said, some limitations exist. While Sprinto covers major frameworks extremely well, companies needing niche compliance coverage might require supplementary tools. Also, highly customized environments may need manual configuration for full integration. Still, for the vast majority of cloud-based businesses, Sprinto offers a powerful, automated way to achieve and maintain compliance with minimal disruption to engineering and operations. It's best suited for tech-forward companies that want to meet regulatory demands, close enterprise deals faster, and build customer trust through strong security posture. Check the links in the description to explore how Sprinto can simplify your compliance journey and help your business scale with confidence.